Hi guys, in this video we are going to cook ugali. Ugali is a meal out of maize flour and water, boiled water and maize flour just pounded together. If you have been to holiday to East Africa, you have probably seen or tried it, or if you come from East Africa, you probably know it. And if you are trying ugali for the first time, I recommend using a type of flour that is quite grinded or well grinded, and this type is quite good. If you live abroad, you can order it online or try African, Asian or Arabic shop. I bought mine from an Arabic shop where I live. They always have it. There's yellow and white, but I like white. For trying it, like I said, try the type which is well grinded, the flour, because it's easy to pound. So when you go to Kenya, for example, we use the one which the corn is not removed. It's healthy, but it's really difficult when you have never, if you have never cooked ugali before. So for this recipe, I will take 800 milliliters of water. This is enough for me and my 2 kids. And then I will take around 250 to 300 grams of flour. I will tell you at the end what was fitting there. So 250 to 300 grams of flour for 800 milliliters of water. The ratio is always around 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. Let's cook it and see how it will come out. So I boiled my water on the water kettle already, and I will just give it a bit time that it's boiling and producing bubbles. You can add around 1 tablespoon of flour to the water that it can help you to check if it's boiling well. Water should always boil. Don't cook your ugali if the water is not boiling. It will come out horrible, or it will taste weird. So the water has to boil. That's really important. So for cooking ugali, you need such a thick wood. I bought it from Kenya because it was difficult to find it here in Germany. But if you have a thick wood in your kitchen, you can use it. Then it's able to mix everything well. And then you need a whisker for mixing the flour. Mix it as long as possible with a whisker that all the flour is well spread. If you travel to Kenya, you can bring this with you. It's also good for cooking normal food. It's called a mwiko. Mwiko is a Swahili word. Or just say, I need something for cooking ugali, the wooden spoon for cooking ugali. So that's the amount of flour we have. That's 300 grams. Let's see, that's 250, sorry, that's 250, you see, 250 grams of flour for 800 milliliters of water. We will try and then we see if it's fitting good. I rarely measure my ingredients. I use the eye, but for the recipe I measure it. That helps you if you're a starter cooking ugali. So the finer the flour, when it's really fine, the texture, the more water you need. So it's like baking flour as well. When it's so fine, it needs more water. You need less flour for more water. I will sprinkle a bit flour that it's showing me the bubbles. Then I'm sure that the water is boiling. So you see, the bubbles are starting to form, and when it's boiling aggressively, I start. And while cooking it, take care because it jumps out and it may burn you. If it's happening like this, reduce the heat to low heat and just push it aside. Mix it and put it back. Especially at the beginning when it's still so watery, it likes to jump out, so take care that you don't burn yourself. So our water is boiling good. You see there is some bubbles, so we can start our cooking process now. We add the flour bit by bit and mix it. Like I said, if the water is jumping out, move it to the side so that you don't burn yourself. Mixing it slowly like a porridge. So it's starting to thicken. I will add everything and then that's what I mean. You see how aggressive it's pumping out. A bit force to crush everything. So for now it's too thick for my whisker. I will change to the wooden spoon. press it to the side of the pot. This is too soft, so I will add a pinch of flour, so around 50 grams, not so much. Then we have 350 grams for 800 milliliters of water. If you like it soft, the texture from before will be okay, but I like it a bit thick, so I added a bit flour now, around 50 grams, and then I will mix it again. So that's how it looks like. Oh, it's quite hot. And you let it cook until you smell a nice smell. It should stick and make something like something crispy on at the bottom. So cook it long enough that it tastes nice. So from time to time you turn it and let it cook for a while, around 3 to 5 minutes, and always turn it around on medium heat, and then you remove it and enjoy your ugali. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.